Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to restore and colorize some old photos in seconds, and if you are searching for some methods to this situation, here's the best solution. Most popular method for how to restore old photos with PS on YouTube, but this function is only applicable to new versions from 2023 onwards, and requires better computer equipment installation and high subscription fees. So today we will focus on the second AI tool that allows you to restore old photos online. Let's go to hitpawonline.com. The official link is put on the description area. In this website you can find many AI tools to edit your video and photos, like restore old photo and video, edit the music, and remove background of video and photos, etc. We are back to restore old photos. Select restore creased photos tool here and upload the photo, and on the left side you can see different kinds of AI models that fit different kinds of photos. In this case we select face model and just wait a second. Bang! You can see that the cracks in the image have been automatically repaired, and the details of the eyes and faces of the characters in the image have been greatly improved. The effect is very good. Let's try more different old face photos. What do you think of the effect? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Okay, it's all for today's video. See you in the next one.